Hey, Vinicius Brasil, and welcome to 642 San Patricio Avenue in Sunnyvale, and welcome to our virtual open house. So this obviously is recorded, and the reason for that is I wanted to make sure that it's available to everyone. So I'm going to be walking you through this property to show you the interior, as well as go over the inspection reports. We'll also have links to the inspection reports as well if you're interested in downloading those. And of course, you can always contact us with questions or if you'd like to schedule a private appointment. So let's take a look at the house. Come into this formal entry area and you've got access or direct access to the living space over here. And you can see it's a very comfortable sized living area. And from this angle, you can access the dining area and the kitchen. Kitchen is a galley style kitchen. It's got refinished shaker style cabinets, gas cooking, dining area is just adjacent to the kitchen and of course leads back to the living space. And over here, you've got a step down family room. Which is carpeted. In the living space, we've got SPC laminate flooring. So it's very durable. It's got a nice feel to it. It feels like hardwood floor, but it's actually a laminate flooring material. It's completely waterproof. So in the kitchen, very durable. If you spill some water on it, it will not be a problem. And over here, you've got access to your backyard from this room. I should say your side yard, which will lead you to the backyard. And then here is the fourth bedroom. So it's on this wing of the house. It's got its own private bathroom, as you can see here. It's a tub over shower enclosure. And the bedroom's right over here. It's got kind of a little nook here. And this is a full-size bed. And the closet over here. And it also has its own private entry door here, so it can access the outside as well. And it has two windows overlooking the backyard area. Moving on. So this is the office. So it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, and it's got a separate office area. And it's got these French doors that you can close off if you like. So if you're working in there and you want it quiet, you can close off the French doors. And here's the hallway. You've got 2 closets over here. And this is kind of your vacuum, your coat closet. And you've got another closet over here for linens. You can see all the SPC flooring runs all through all these bedrooms. And here's the other access to the office here. And you can see. What's the nice thing about those double doors is you can use it as a nice flexible space in case you wanted to leave it open. See what it looks like when it's open. And here we go to the first bedroom on this side. This is the bedroom that has a private ensuite bath. It's a closet area. The same SPC flooring here. It's a reasonable sized bedroom. This is a queen bed here. And here's its ensuite bath. It's tile floor, vanity, and it's got a shower stall. And this door actually leads to the garage. And we'll look at the garage a little bit later. And kind of take a look around here. And then a closer look at the tub, closer look at the shower. closer look at that room, and as we're exiting the room, get a good idea of the size of this room. And of course, we've got the 3D tour and the 2D floor plan if you want to get dimensions. And here's the other guest bedroom. I believe this might be the smallest of the 3 bedrooms on this side. And that's a twin bed. We've got a desk here. The closet is here on this wall. Here is the hall bath, tile floor, 30-inch vanity, and here's the shower and tub enclosure, all tiled. Inside, there you go. And you can the ceiling. And here's the 4th bedroom, the last bedroom. This one has a double closet. I can open this door so you can get an idea of the size of the closet, the size of the room. This is the larger, I believe the largest, or maybe comparable to that other room that we just saw first. And the nice thing about this particular room is it does have a sliding glass door to the backyard, which we'll take a look at here shortly. And you can kind of get an idea of this room. And here's the backyard. Got a citrus tree here. Not sure what that is. That may be plum. I don't know. And there's quite a large shed here. This is a new fence on this side of the property, and it's quite a lot of concrete. Here's the side of the house leading to the gate. And then over here, and I believe this is a kumquat. It's producing quite a bit right now. And then on this side of the house, you've got another metal gate here. And this leads to the access for the bedroom. And then this goes to the family room. And here's the window to the family room. And that's the window to the living room right over here. And we're just gonna go back right now and take a look at the garage. Back through again. And access to the garage here, as well as you saw in that space. And you get an idea of the garage here. A lot of storage in the garage. You've got a couple storage cabinets here. Closets, laundry is here, water heater and furnace right there. You got a sink, and then another closet, and then this is the door that leads to the bathroom, the ensuite bathroom. And then this is the door that leads to the exterior that we were just at.
Hey, Vinicius Brasil here, and just want to go over the disclosures briefly, just to know what to expect, what we have for 642 San Patricio Avenue in Sunnyvale. So moving down, when you access your disclosures, you'll see, of course, we have the mandatory real estate transfer disclosure statement. We have the seller property questionnaire. Also, there's an addendum to the seller property questionnaire that goes over all the improvements that were done recently to prepare the home, as well as what the current owner knows. And it should be noted that the current owner has only owned the property since 2015, when she purchased it as an investment property. So she's never lived in the home. So very limited knowledge as far as the history of the property. And of course, all the other mandatory disclosures that we have here. And what I really want to just go over are the specific inspection report, or the home inspection report, because there was some minor fixes to the current inspection report. And I'm going to pull that up here. The current inspection report was performed on February 8th, so that was just a few days ago. And I just want to go over the findings now. I'm sure you're familiar with these reports. This was done by HomeGuard, and you can kind of look down and see this is the summary. And just want to point out what was fixed. So there was a loose, or some loose hinges on the front door that we re-screwed in with some new screws. The strike plate for the front door was replaced or installed. There was a running splice underneath the house, so want to make sure that this wire is back up, not on the ground, but placed up underneath the flooring joists. And of course, put in a box. Also, there's in the attic space, there is a box there that doesn't have a cover, so that needs to be a cover, and we have that installed. You'll notice that the exterior lights have been repaired or replaced with newer motion detecting exterior lights. We had the wiring that was in the crawl space that was abandoned, just made sure that it was abandoned and removed. And of course, we're obligated to make sure that the water heater is strapped in a proper manner, and that will be done before close of escrow. And then lastly, there was a comment about smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors, and we'll make sure that those are installed prior to the appraisal. And every room requires a smoke detector, and every room area requires a carbon monoxide detector. So there'll be 2 carbon monoxide detectors, one in each room area, and then each bedroom will have a smoke detector. I believe the county records indicates the property is a 5-bedroom, but in reality, the home is an actual 4-bedroom. The office does not have a closet, and it also does not have an exterior window. All right, so a lot more details in this property inspection. I don't really want to spend a lot of time going over it. Feel free to take a look at it. If you've got any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.